Hello everyone, I am your Tally Guru Abhijit Joshi. In this video lesson, we are going to learn how to start Tally Prime, and then we will learn how to create a company in it, and then we will alter the company information. So to start Tally Prime, we will double click the icon of Tally Prime on our desktop. This opening menu will appear, and this is called Select Company. We can select the company which we have already created, but we wish to create a company, so we will take this option, create company. So here we have used the up and down arrow keys on the keyboard, and to select the option we press enter. So we will be pressing enter on the create company option. Now here the company creation form will appear and the company name is being asked, the company for which we wish to maintain the accounts. But here you can notice something called the company data path. Here you can note that the data path has been set to d:\tally data. That is, on the D drive, a folder will be created by the name of tally data and the company data will be stored in this. So this is called default folder. What we are going to do is we are going to create a separate folder and store our data in this. To do so, we will press backspace. So in Tally, whenever you want to go from one field to other, you press enter or you press backspace. So now in this data path, we are going to enter the path where we wish to store the data. To here, we are going to type c:\tally data and then followed by your name. So here I will be entering my name in backslash. So it is c:\tally data backslash. That means I want to create my data in C drive in a folder called tally data and in the folder called Abhijit. So you can enter your own name and then press enter. Then it is going to confirm this path. So I'll press enter. So what has happened that this folder does not exist. This folder is not there at all. So Tally is going to prompt me, do you want to create this? I will give yes. So I can press either Y on the keyboard or I can press enter. So I will press the enter key. Now again I'll have to press enter and see, now my data path has been changed. Now I will type the name of the company. While working in Tally, it is recommended that you keep the caps lock off. You note that I typed Gokul. Here G was automatically made capital, and then when I type say Gokul Milk Mart, I type the M, it becomes small first, but when I type LK, it automatically capitalizes it. So we will type Gokul Milk Mart. That's the name of our company. We'll press enter. The mailing name we will keep the same. We will leave the address blank. Here we will select the state Maharashtra. So I can just type MAH. It will get selected. I can also type RASH. So here you can see that Maharashtra is there, but some other two states are also appearing, but the country is different. Since Tally Prime is used in many other different countries, this is happening. What you can do is press the down and up arrow key, select Maharashtra and press enter. So this is the way you can select things in Tally. It is very easy. You can type any letter. For example, we will try TRA. Now TRA. Again, Maharashtra will appear here, but the list is quite long. Here is our Maharashtra. We'll press enter. We will leave the other information as it is, and we will type the email address as Gokul GOOCOOL. This will be admin ADMIN @gokul.com. So we have typed this intentionally wrong because our email address is Gokul GOKUL. Anyway, we will keep it this way. We'll press enter, and here is the financial year beginning from. So the financial year we are going to work is in April 24 to March 25. So we will keep this April 24. This is books beginning from. If your company is appropriated after 1st April 24, you need to change this. We will keep this as it is and we will continue. Then throughout Tally we will get this prompt, accept yes, no. So whenever you want to accept a form, you either press Y or you press enter. If you do not want to accept, you can press no or escape. So if I try to press N, the cursor will go again in the form. I can make changes and then accept it. So we'll go forward and accept it this time. Here we'll press enter or yes. So we'll press enter and this company has now been created, and first Tally will ask for company features. Company features are the way you will work in Tally. For example, my nose is long and Devin sir's nose is flat. So we have different features of our face. So similarly, a company's working procedure can differ. So this feature word is used. Now the first feature here is maintain accounts. We obviously want to maintain accounts in Tally. The second feature is enable bill-wise details. We will try and understand this. There are two methods of maintaining balances of our customers or suppliers. One is ledger-wise and the other is bill-wise. Let's say on 1st April we give our customer a sales bill of 4,000. Then on 2nd April we give another bill of 5,000. And then we receive a cash of 3,000 from our customer. So the closing balance of the customer is now 6,000. Closing balance of our customer is on the debit side, so we have to receive 6,000 from the customer. This is generally how a ledger is maintained. But for the same scenario, when we maintain balances bill wise, we will say that on 1st April we gave an invoice of 4,000. We have not yet received anything, so the balance is 4,000. Then on 2nd April we have given a bill of 5,000, so we have not received anything, so the balance is 5,000. 4,000 plus 5,000 is 9,000. Now the customer has paid us 3,000 in cash against the first bill, so the balance is 1,000. So overall we can say on 1st April we gave a bill of 4,000, we received 3,000 and balance is 1,000. On 2nd April we gave a bill of 5,000, we have not received any amount against it, so the balance is 5,000. 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6,000. This is how we maintain bill wise. So this feature is going to help us doing so. The next feature is maintain inventory. We want to maintain the stock of goods and what quantity it is and of what value it is. The next is integrate accounts with inventory. The closing stock value, the value of our closing stock is reflected on the asset side of the balance sheet. We want that Tally Prime brings us the value of closing stock automatically in the balance sheet. So we will set this to yes. Then our company is small. We are an unregistered dealer. Our turnover is less. So we are a URD. We have not registered under GST, so we will keep this no, and enable TDS, tax deducted source, will also be no, and we will accept the company features by pressing enter. So now our company has been created. You can see the name of the company appearing here. The company is now active, that is whatever ledgers or vouchers we enter now will be entered in the company called Gokul Milk Mart. This is the opening menu of Tally and we call it Gateway of Tally. Notice two main things. One is masters, others are transactions. Comparatively unchangeable data is masters and the voucher entry, the transactions are done here. Now that we have learned how to create a company, we will exit out of Tally and we will select the company and then we will also learn how to alter it. So we will quit. I have pressed escape. If I don't want to quit, I will press escape once again because escape and no is equivalent. So if I press escape, I will not exit. I press escape again and I press enter or Y, I exit out of Tally. So now here we will again start Tally. From Gateway of Tally, we will double click the icon of Tally Prime and here our select company menu appears again. Now we have to select our company which is not created in the default folder. We can see that in the default folder the list of companies are appearing. But now what we will do, we will type our company path here. We will type our company path here. Our company path was C:\tally data, then \Abhijit. So my folder is in C drive by the name of Tally Data. Within that I have a folder called Abhijit and my company had been created in this folder. So when I press enter here, I find my company which is Gokul Milk Mart. I will select this and then press enter and the company is selected. Now we have to alter the email address. So to do this, we will go in the company menu. So we'll click on the company menu and we will select the alter option. So here we are altering the company details. So when I press enter, the company alteration form will appear. Here you can see the name of the company, and now we will correct this email address as it was admin@gokul.com. So we will correct it as okul.com. Now that's fine, and we will accept the company alteration form. So this is how we alter the company. In next video lesson we will know about masters. Thank you.